Hi guys, back with another video. Today's gonna be a Madfut pack opening. I can't really say another video because I haven't been consistent. I'm sorry. It's just since now it's summer break, I want to relax a little bit. Also in school, I need to go to school. But even if this channel doesn't become popular in the future, I hope to be a FIFA streamer on Twitch and YouTube. So let's get into the pack. First, a 30% best 11 pack. Finally, that long as hell ad has finished, and now we can open our 30% best 11 pack. We already have, I think, 9 or 10 best 11s and 1 or 2 best 11 tokens, so I don't really need any more. I mean, best 11 nominees. I don't have any best 11s. This is our best 11 nominee right here. Okay, let's see who we get. Sabrina Duplicate, German. Ter Stegen, that is not a duplicate. And he plays for the best club in Spain. Oh, and a 96 token. Was I pack? And 3 random. And an 89. Oh my god, this is the best pack I've ever opened. I'm gonna watch another ad because the 9 plus pack. We need more packs, okay? Yeah. Okay, the ad has finished, but I don't know why I didn't get the pack. So let's just open the packs I have because these packs are trash. Okay, first we're gonna open a special silver pack. I know that's even more trash than the ones. Let's just open it. I'm not opening the Team of the Week packs. Okay. Like the super bad packs, I'm not gonna open them. So I already did open a super bad pack. That was just because I wanna see if I was getting a new card. These are kind of bad too, but there's a higher chance for getting those rare cards. One time I actually, oh my god, that's a Madfut icon. One time I got Madfut icon and best 11 nominee in the same pack. 9 rounds best pack. Is that David Villa? Yes. What rating? Yes, it's a new one. Now I don't have to spend a token on him. Okay. OP special pack. If this one's good, bad, I mean, I won't open the other 8 ones. Red foot champs. English. Hampton. Oh, 87 word pass. Yep, that wasn't bad. We need better packs, okay? 86 plus pack. What card is that? Some objective card, right? Yes. Argentina Paredes. Oh. I'm not opening the good packs. Okay. 88 plus. Switch pack. Team of the season. Team of the season moments. English. Phil Jagielka. Okay. Is that a flashback? Yep. Who is it? Oh, Carrasco. It's new. Now, 100% random pack. And to the good packs now. I've seen moments again. This could be Ronaldo. German. Oh, Garage 95. That's a badge. I think they don't have the rights to Bayern Munich anymore. And now Bayern Munich is called Bavaria in this game. And Samba Compembe and Spinazzola. No, bro, look at the triple link. Wahi, Compembe, and Samba. I hear this guy might be going to Chelsea. Okay, now. You know what? Let's just open it like Madfut told us. Well, first we have to get these out there. I didn't say anything. Make terminal out. Now we have a 93 to 96 pick. Should we get Davidson? 399 versus backs. Oh, right there, yeah, that's Vinicius, innit? What? That's trash. Oh my god. Next one has to be way better. Team of the season. Portuguese. Oh, 95 Jota! 95 Jota! He's new! Yes! 95 rated! Oh! And Jeremy from Portland! Oh my god. Yes. Level up. Please. 97 Varane. 97 Varane. Come on, bro. Please. Corona. Oh no. Above 94. There's 3 94s and 192. And it gives me the 94 because I'm just better. Just better. Oh! Yes! That's the one I needed. Come on. I got a best 11. No, a 92 plus pack and a 95 plus pack. Wait, no, 4 92 plus packs. Okay. Let's skip it. Oh, Beneda. Okay. Oh, save. I'm not skipping this time. I'm not skipping. What? Ochoa. Yeah. I packed him on Ultimate Team from a 500k pack. What's that video? 500k pack. Starting 11 worthy player pack. Madfut Savage. Oh no, Madfut. Okay. Oh, is that Madfut icon again? Yep. Oh my god, that's like the second one in the pack of me. Snyder 92. I have the 91, but I don't have the 92, so that's good. Wait. Do I have both? Oh no. Well, now I can complete one of his SPCs. Come on, are you ready, boys? Are you ready? A 95 plus OP special pack. Guaranteed 95 of her read special card. Let's just check the players we can get from this. So by reading. Okay. 95 to 99. As you can see, it's a lot of players. Some of them are SPCs or objectives. Even if you remove them, there's so much players. Oh my god, imagine Messi, Ronaldo, De Bruyne, Pele, Vinicius, Goretzka, De Bruyne, Henry, Goretzka, Van Dijk, Messi, Pele, Roberto Carlos, any of those 97s or 98s, and even 99s would be insane. Let's just open it. And today a new video is also coming up. It's the Coupe. I think his name is 94 goalie Leon. SBC solutions and pack opening too. Yep. So what's that? Come on, team this season, Messi. Come on, Brazil, huh? Oh no, it's 95 in this. Oh, it's 95 in that. How even worse. Couldn't you have just given me? I was gonna say if I got Vinicius, I was gonna say couldn't you have given me 98 Vinicius? I didn't even get Vinicius. So I think I did a trade with my cousin, and I think he gave me Vinicius. Yeah. Now I have 2 duplicates of Team this season Militao. If you want to trade with me, I'm on Madfut a lot, kind of. My name is here, DSDD 4S's. So screenshot that, search by username, invite, and then I might accept your invite if I'm on Madfut at the same time as you. Remember, you have to be on the same version as me. Today I'm gonna try to make as much uploads as I can. And bye football fantastic fan.